Alright guys, we're going to get right into it. This is part 2 of designing and making a double-faced wool coat. If you haven't seen part 1, please do so. I'm going to put that link in the description box below. It is my entire design process. I am literally thinking out loud how to make this design for this double-faced wool coat. I got the fabric already, guys. It is thick. It is heavy. It's like a blanket. It is 2 layers of self on both sides sewn together, like I say in the first session. So design is key. What should I make? So I started first with a very tailored slim jacket, just off the shoulder. Didn't like that design. So then I thought, well, let me just make it larger and oversized like I see everywhere. Hated that. And then I thought, I'm going to make a cocoon, a more couture, Balenciaga type style. So I started to work with that design. But this is not conducive to this fabric, the cutting and slashing and patching. So I worked on my cocoon style right here from my Instagram followers and their advice, and gave it a beautiful collar, slimmer sleeves, and I still have that cocoon shape. Now we're going to cut this pattern out and start the sewing process. Let me just explain something about this coat again, and the construction and the pattern that's different from a regular coat or jacket, and that is there's no lining, there's no interfacing, there's no facings, there's no interlinings, there's no pad stitching. It is just one layer because the one layer already has 2 layers. So the pockets, you don't want to have an inside pocket flapping as you open this clean, gorgeous jacket in. So I'm using patch pockets. The belt is not 2 layers and then turned and folded. It is 1 layer. The collar itself, there's no under collar, there's no outer collar. It's just one piece and turned into itself. The lapel on the jacket itself is just that. It's all on the coat itself, and then it's turned back because the seam is cleaned inside of itself. So that's the difference about this coat, and the coat has been cut, and we can get to the sewing process in the next vlog.